Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Handy Danny, and I've been meaning to do a review with this guy right here for the longest, and sorry it's taking me so long, but I love Milwaukee. You guys know that I'm a Milwaukee fan, and I will always attest to Milwaukee being the best. However, I do have some pros and cons about this thing. The pro is that it's versatile, it's battery operated, and the cool thing about it is it only takes one battery. I'm not 100% sure, but I've been told, I've never used, but DeWalt takes two batteries, Makita takes two batteries, and they have to be pretty much full when it comes to the wattage here. The battery has to be pretty charged up. Both of them have to be charged up in order to make your cut, okay? With Milwaukee, I have a little 2.0. If you're familiar with Milwaukee tools, I have a little 2.0 battery that I use sometimes, and it makes the cut, and it does pretty well, okay? The cons I don't like about it is my handle broke, okay? You see that? My handle broke. If there's a Milwaukee rep, if there's somebody from Milwaukee watching this, send me another handle, okay? Leave it in the comments if you know how I can get another handle. The other thing I don't like about it is the little feet here. The little feet, this is an adjustment foot right here to get level. As you can see, I'm not really all that level. However, the little feet right here, they come off every once in a while. So, you know, that's kind of a pain because I'm chasing those guys all around the truck half the time. I've been meaning to super glue them on there, and I just haven't. But I have the little kick out here. I have a little stand inside the truck that I don't really use that often, and it's pretty good, man. Now I'm just gonna make a cut for you guys real quick and show you the power that it has. You know, they say you should always measure twice and cut once, and this time around, I think I got it on the first shot. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace out now.